little taste?
And give your feedback. You like it? No? Papa likes it.
Look, there's a
I
little
don't like-
sultana in there.
Huh?
You try a little sultana?
Are you ready to make it?
Yeah.
Or me to make it?
I thought you were making it.
I'm going to make it.
Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me
ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਮੋਮ, ਕੀ ਹਾਲ ਚਾਲ?
ਬਸ ਵਧੀਆ ਪੁੱਤ
ਹੋਰ ਕੀ ਬਣ ਰਿਹਾ?
ਮੈਂ ਪੱਖਾ ਬੰਦ ਕਰਨ ਲਈ ਹੈ ਠੀਕ ਠਾਕ ਹੈ
ਜਿਹੜੀ ਪੰਜੀਰੀ ਬਣਾਉਂਦੇ ਆ ਉਹ ਕਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਬਣਾਉਂਦੇ ਆ ਤੇ ਕਿਹੜੇ ਕਿਹੜੇ ਇਨਗਰੀਡੀਐਂਟਸ ਚਾਹੀਦੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ?
ਮੈਂ ਲਿਖ ਦਿੰਦਾ ਹੁਣ ਇਹਦੇ ਫੋਟੋ ਖਿੱਚ ਕੇ ਹੁਣ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਸੈਂਡ ਕਰ ਦੇਣੀ ਹੈ
ਚਲੋ ਠੀਕ ਆ, ਹਾਂਜੀ।
ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਲਿਖਾ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਕਿਲੋ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ 2 ਕਿਲੋ 3 ਕਿਲੋ 4 ਕਿਲੋ ਉਹਦੇ ਹਿਸਾਬ ਨਾਲ ਲਿਖਾਈਦਾ ਵਾ
How many kg we need? 1 kilo or 2 kilo?
Maybe 1 kilo?
1 kilo?
5
5? Mom say 5 kilo? It's a better, we can make a bigger.
As long as they last long, yeah.
ਆਏ ਤੇ 5 ਦੇ ਪੀਪਾ ਬਣਾਉਂਦੇ ਰਹੇ
They make a proper tin of that.
16 ਕਿਲੋ
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਹੋਣਾ ਸੀ ਵੈਸੇ ਜੇ ਆ ਕੋਵਿਡ ਨਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਤੇ ਹੈ
ਆਹ ਬਣਾ ਇਹਦੇ ਪੀਪੇ 2 ਬਣਾ ਦੇਣੇ ਸੀ ਇੱਥੇ
ਚਲੋ ਕੋਈ ਨਹੀਂ
Yeah, well, we might have to get the big kadai down.
Yeah, we have a big kadai.
I know, look at that. It's like she's decided to pop out of my stomach.
This pregnancy you can see that you are pregnant, huh?
Yes, you can really see this time. Whereas with Good as a Hedge, you didn't really see that I was pregnant.
This is a video about the Panjiri, the breastfeeding and for their good health. In Punjab, we make Panjiri for the pregnant lady. Today we are going to make Panjiri. We're heading to the Indian grocery to get ingredients. That's all I'm going to make today for my Aussie wife. As an Australian, they also have some bikkies, but they don't call Panjiri. What they call about that cookies?
Booby bickies.
The booby bikkies. So maybe they are making out of same ingredients, but you know the Panjiri is Panjiri. So we already made a call to mom to get some ingredients. They are going to send us. We are going to the grocery shop so that we can get those things and we go home and then start making the Panjiri in a big amount, like 5 kg. Why are you laughing? Because we made a pipa over there, you know, a tin. So big tin we made over there. So it's not a you eating. I'm also eating, but I'm not a breastfeeding, but still I'm eating because I love Panjiri. And might be we're gonna make a Western as well. So it's winters over here, so we can prepare that thing as well. Do we?
Yes.
And this is a big challenge. This is a big challenge for me to make a Panjiri. What do you reckon?
I think you can do it. I'm looking forward to it.
Okay then. The things I need for Panjiri, Papa sent it. And we just got a blessing from Babaji's house.
ਮਿਲਣਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਜਿਹਾ ਯਾਰ ਲੱਭੇ ਤੇ ਆ ਗੱਭਰੂ ਦੀ ਗੱਡੀ ਚੱਲੇ 80 90 ਤੇ ਆ ਤੇਰੀ ਨਿਗਾਹ ਪੈ ਗਈ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਜੱਟ ਕੱਬੇ ਤੇ ਆ ਸੋਚਦੀ ਹੋਵੇਂਗੀ
You tiny cutter. What do you think for her first one?
I think it's too small.
You had-
Do you reckon this is gonna be
I think this will fit.
like but I'm presuming Copa is kind of the full coconut. ਤੇ ਫਿਰ ਸਾਨੂੰ we need more crushed than
Desiccated. We get that from Woolies.
Woolies.
Panda.
Let me ask her
Ha,
one
ha,
more
ha,
time.
ha, ha. And
She's helping a lot of us.
I will find
She's
salt.
helping a lot too.
See, this is always best to ask.
And thank you very much for
Yes.
helping us.
Thank you so very much.
Hope-
We have it later.
have you said thank you? Say thank you. I'm doing this job this time. We didn't make her when she was pregnant with Gursahed, but this time I'm
did.
thinking we have to introduce her with the
Yeah, and it's
Punjabi Panjiri, and
it's excellent for health,
it is actually, and
especially after having the baby.
this is a kamar kas.
And odd stuff.
Kamar
that-
kas.
And odd stuff for me because it looks like plastic.
We are using a big cry, and time to call mom right now.
Yeah.
Hanji, sat sri akal mom.
So you're putting the disigi in.
Yes. So we need a big kadshi.
A big spoon.
You can put this one here.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put on a slow. Like while I'm doing that,
And the background prep,
she's chopping the shuai.
which is really, really hard to be honest. They're like little rocks.
Yeah, it is actually. But there is no alternative, Bebo. Sorry for that.
I know.
Okay.
But I'm being very careful and trying not to chop my fingers.
Waheguru Sache Paksha. There we go. Now it's getting brown, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Take them out now. Give them a little shake. Mm-hmm. Don't leave that there.
This is gonna be a quick one.
Quick, quick, quick.
Oh,
Be careful, don't splash.
oh, quick. Quick, quick, quick.
That's what I said, be quick.
Quick. Oh, they are going somewhere else. Quick, quick, quick. Quick, quick, quick.
Okay.
All done, Hannah?
Got them all? Look good.
Sultanas.
Can I
This is
finish-
Sultanas.
Can I finish the kettle?
Yes, baby. Oh no, it's a big, big wobbly.
Yeah,
I think
it's okay.
This is a kamar kas now. I haven't seen a kamar kas that looks like this. So it's gone in there.
Ladle.
Oh. Char goond. Oh,
Yeah.
something was in there before.
It's okay. Look at it fluffing.
We have-
Mix it around, little fluff. The more you mix it, the more you fluff.
I'm gonna use this, Hannah.
Yes?
Oh, look at that. It soaks.
Wow.
Huh? It soaks everything. What is
I
this?
need a bigger container.
That's why mom said put it at the last.
Yeah. You might need 2 of these. It's fascinating. This is truly fascinating.
Hannah,
Yeah.
what are we gonna do now? Half
Check
of?
it out.
Half now, where is it?
Just those 2 bowls. Yeah, just tip it over there. Yeah. I'll clean it up after.
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਮਮ ਹਾਂਜੀ ਉਹ ਫਰਾਈ ਕਰ ਲਿਆ ਵਾ ਤੇ ਆਪਣਾ ਹੁਣ ਗਾਂ ਅਗਲਾ ਨੈਕਸਟ ਕੰਮ ਕੀ ਆ Oh. Untrained. We have to press the
Coffee seed. I have a spoon. There should be a small.
Too much recipe in there. What are you doing? It's my job now.
I know.
I know you want to help me. I know that,
It's
but
so hard for me to not be in the kitchen. But honestly, with all this tzatziki, I'm gonna gain all my weight that I've lost.
it happens, people.
Yeah. Bye bye 8 kilos.
Bye bye 8 kilos. Bebo, I'm doing or you doing it?
Well, it needs to be finely ground.
I know that.
That takes expert hands.
Thank you very much for me feeling me proud.
Well, I've done this for a lot longer.
I know.
Mama has been,
Yeah, she's been helping the entire way.
but is she not on?
No, we've been doing it in parts. Are these? They're like rocks.
Yeah, I was going to say, if they're dates.
What?
Yeah, I had to cut them up, and that was very.
I think we put a lot of desi ghee before.
Well, I should say that's too much. I can add some more some more of that if you want.
No, wait.
You need more?
Wait. I think so.
Could have tipped some of the tzatziki out.
I think we need more desi ghee then.
You need more to see?
Yeah,
See,
good, good.
it'll soak it.
Let's check.
Oh, that's good.
You can also eat this. It's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, good for bone.
Good for bones.
Yeah. Which one was it that was good for bones? That one there.
You know what?
So what you can call it is panji.
Panji.
Fan.
Pan.
Bad.
Panji.
Pan.
Yeah.
As a P-A-N.
P no,
I
it's
can
actually
feel it.
B-H.
I'm gonna feel it.
Is it?
You can say Panji.
Bad.
Panji.
Banji.
Panji.
Panji.
Yeah.
Or
It means sister.
Mrs. Kim.
Oh.
Now you have to grab the phone
Yes.
and show mom.
ਠੀਕ ਆ ਕੋਈ ਬੜੀ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਕਰਦਾ ਹੋਰ
Kankwana, Swedish.
Swedish cow?
Swedish color.
ਗੁਲਾਬੀ ਰੰਗ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਨਾ
ਨਹੀਂ ਹਜੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਮੰਮਾ ਜੀ, ਉਹ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸਾਈਡਾਂ ਤੇ ਲੱਗੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਹੋਈ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਆ,
ਹਾਂ ਪੱਟਿਆ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਇਆ
ਦੂਜਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਇਆ ਹਜੇ।
ਰਹਿੰਦੇ ਜਰਾ
ਦੇਸੀ ਘਿਓ ਥੋੜਾ ਲੱਭਣ ਡਿਆ, ਥੋੜਾ ਦੇਸੀ ਘਿਓ ਲੱਭਣ ਡਿਆ ਉਤੋਂ।
ਕਰਦੇ ਨਾ ਇਹ ਚੱਲਦੇ ਨਾ ਜਦੋਂ ਇਹ ਬਣ ਗਈ ਨਾ ਜਿੱਦੀ ਕਿਉਂ ਚੱਲਦੇ ਨਾ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਹੀ
Oh, look at that. It's getting better. ਮੰਮਾ ਅੱਗੇ ਨਾਲ ਠੀਕ ਲੱਭਣ ਡਿਆ ਹੁਣ। ਪਾਪਾ ਵੇਖਣ ਡੇ?
ਹਾਂ ਇਹ ਪਾਪਾ ਦੇ ਹੁਣੇ ਕੇ ਪਾਸ ਆ ਰਹੇ ਸੀ
ਅੱਛਾ।
ਆ ਕੇ ਸਾਈਡਾਂ ਤੇ ਪਿੰਕ ਹੋਣ ਡਿਆ
ਹੋਣ ਡਿਆ। It's getting a little bit pinkish around, ਹੈ ਨਾ?
ਹਾਂ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੀ ਹੋਣੀ ਹੈ ਸਾਰੀ
Okay. The next is we put the sond, like ginger, and
Ginger
then
powder.
ginger powder, and then
Ajwain?
ajwain. Yes.
I was listening.
I'm feeling hot. I'm gonna be halwai soon. ਮੰਮੀ ਹਲਵਾਈਆਂ ਵਾਂਗੂ ਬਨਾਨ ਪਾਲਾ?
ਹਾਂ
ਬਨਾਨ ਪਾਲਾ ਹਾਂ ਕੱਲੀ ਹਲਵਾਈਆਂ ਵਾਂਗੂ।
ਨਹੀਂ ਦੱਸ ਤੈਨੂੰ
ਮੰਮੀ ਹਲਵਾਈ ਬਣ ਜਾ ਹਲਵਾਈ।
ਸ਼ੈਫ
ਉਹਨੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਉਦੋਂ ਮੈਂ ਕਹਿਣ ਡਿਆ ਅੱਜ ਹਲਵਾਈ ਬਣ ਗਿਆ ਵਾਂ ਮੈਂ।
ਅੱਜ ਤੇ ਬਣ ਗਿਆ ਇਹ ਅੱਜ ਤੇ ਪੱਕਾ ਬਣ ਗਿਆ ਹੁਣ ਜਾਣ ਤੇ ਆ ਗਈ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਬਣਾਉਣ ਦੀ ਮੈਂ ਫਟਾਫਟ ਤੇ ਮੇਰੇ
ਦੇਸੀ ਘਿਓ ਥੋੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਉੱਪਰ ਲੱਭਣ ਡਿਆ ਆ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਕੋਈ ਚੱਕਰ ਤੇ ਨਹੀਂ।
ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਾਕੀ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਜੋ ਪੈਣੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਹੁਣ ਪਾ ਕੇ ਥੋੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਹਿਲਾ ਦੇ ਇਹਨੂੰ।
ਸੁੰਡ ਮੈਂ ਫਿਰ ਸਾਰੀ ਚੱਲਣ ਦਿੰਨਾ। ਆ ਲਓ।
ਥੋੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਵੜਿਆ ਨਾ।
ਹਾਂਜੀ
ਚੱਲ ਮਿਕਸ ਕਰੀ ਜਾ ਇਹਨੂੰ।
now it is ਸੁੰਡ make it a little
ਗੈਸ ਬੰਦ ਕਰ ਦੇ।
Gas off?
gas off.
Yeah?
Yes bebo.
Off.
Off.
ਵਿੱਚ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਅੱਗੇ ਤੋਂ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਮਿਲਾ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੁਣ।
Put it over here.
Can
You
I-
do it.
I tip it?
Yeah, tip it. Thank you bebo.
Thank you.
Mama ਪਰ
ਦੇਖੋ ਉਹਦੇ ਚੜ ਕੇ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਬੇਬੀ ਆਊਗਾ ਉਹ ਬਾਅਦ ਚ ਖਾਣਾ ਹੈ।
you can't have now after the baby born.
Yes.
ਹਾਂ ਕਿਸ ਕਰ ਕੋਲੇ ਸਭ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਪਾਈਆਂ ਹੋਣਗੇ।
Khaskhas.
Oh, it smells so yummy.
Almond. Oh. Almond. Shware.
Soggy.
Sogi. Sogi. Tamarkas.
ਤੇਰੇ ਖਾਂਦੇ
Gund. Magaj.
ਚੱਲ ਬਾਅਦ ਵਿੱਚ
ਮਗਜ ਰੈਡ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਏ, ਮਨ ਪ੍ਰਸੰਨ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਇਆ ਮੈਨੂੰ।
ਇਹ ਬੜੇ ਵਧੀਆ ਲੱਗਦੇ ਆ।
ਕੋਕੋਨਟ
ਕੋਕੋਨਟ ਹੈ ਨਾ ਪਾਲੋ ਪਾਲੇ।
ਸ਼ੱਕਰ ਤੇ ਖੰਡ
Sugar and...
ਬਹੁਤ।
Ha.
ਅਸੀਂ ਸ਼ੱਕਰ ਤੇ ਵੀ ਮਿਕਸ ਸ਼ੂਗਰ ਐਂਡ ਸ਼ੱਕਰ।
ਬਸ ਕੇ ਚੱਕਰ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੈ।
ਓ
What?
ਕੱਢ ਦੋ ਬਾਹਰ।
ਕੱਢ ਲੈ ਫਿਰ ਤੋਂ ਉਹਦੇ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਮਿੱਠਾ ਹੋਇਆ ਨਹੀਂ। ਅਜੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਇਆ ਜਦ ਤੱਕ ਕੋਈ ਗੱਲ ਬਸ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਰਹਿਣ ਦੇ। ਬੇਬੀ ਬਾਅਦ ਵਿੱਚ ਮਿੱਠਾ ਕਰ
ਸ਼ੱਕਰ ਇਜ਼ ਆਲਵੇਜ਼ ਮੋਰ
ਚੱਲ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ।
Ah. It's hot.
ਹੁਣ ਮੈਂ ਕਰਾਂ ਹਲਵਾਈਆਂ ਵਾਂਗੂ ਯਾ ਯਾ ਕੋਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਜੋ
ਮੈਂ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਜਾਂਚ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਦੇਖ।
ਨਾ ਪਰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਸਿਖਾ ਦਿਓ ਨਾ ਜਦੋਂ ਆਓਗੇ। ਕਹਿਣ ਦੇ ਸੀ ਭੈਣ ਜੀ ਨੂੰ ਸਤਿ ਸ੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ। ਇੱਧਰ ਵੇਖੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ,
ਸਵਾਦ ਲੱਗਦੀ ਹੈ ਦੁੱਧ ਦੇ।
ਸੁੰਡ ਨਾਲ ਸਵਾਦ ਲੱਗਦੀ, ਸੁੰਡ ਬਣਾ ਦਿੰਦਾ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਥੋੜੀ ਜਿਹੀ।
And how much of this do I have a day?
ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਜਿਹਨੇ ਕਿਤਨਾ ਨਾ ਖਾਣੀ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਆ ਮੈਂ ਕਰੇ ਮਤਲਬ ਆਫਟਰ ਬੇਬੀ ਹਾਫ ਬੋਲ
Okay.
ਅੱਧੀ ਕੋਲੀ। ਓਕੇ ਮਮ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ ਫਿਰ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਾਲ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ 2 ਮਿੰਟ ਤੱਕ। ਓਕੇ ਮਮ ਓਕੇ ਬਾਏ।
It is sweet,
Yeah.
but I can't have it yet until after I have the baby.
No, have a half a bowl.
No, just.
Mum will just have a
Okay.
taste. Yeah. Is it hot?
Yeah.
You'll taste a lot of ginger. And it'll be sweet. Smells, I can smell the ginger.
You can taste the ginger's building.
Texture, yeah.
The taste is building. The heat from the ginger is building.
Yeah.
No curry stuff.
No.
Like masala or.
No?
No, it's a sweet kind of thing.
It's meant to be like a sweet dish, and I'm meant to have half a
What
bowl.
are you gonna have it with the tea or milk, hot milk or something? Yeah.
And it's like medicine.
It's quite good actually.
You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm a good chef then.